Here we go. Ready? What is up, you guys? It's Saltie Pennies, and today we have the RTX 5080 by Zotac. This is a cool card, I think. And so obviously I don't need this card.
Hey, the baby's giving his commentary too.
Hey. Oh, dance. Yeah. Okay.
Good jumps, baby. Good hops.
So some of you might ask yourself that know the channel and follow it. Well, Saltie, you have a 4090. Why would you buy a 5080? It's because I'm stupid. Actually, it's not. So the reason I got this was because I wanted to stop scalpers from getting it. But then I had a thought. If I stopped scalpers from getting this and I just sold it at MSRP, that'd be kind of cool, but that really wouldn't be like the giveaway idea of my channel. So what I decided to do was actually a little bit different. Takin, come here. So, Takin, some of you might know, might not know, but this is my cousin, and he helps me on all of my YouTube videos. He's super dope, and without him, this channel really wouldn't exist. So, I made him think that I was going to make him pay for this, but it's actually his.
No, you did not. No, you didn't.
There you go.
No.
That's for you. That's for you.
He's gonna cry.
Go ahead.
Okay,
All right. You want to open it, and then I'll go get your PC, and then you put it on?
Yeah.
Okay, open it. Have fun.
Oh, do you have a knife?
Huh?
Do you have a knife?
I don't have mine.
Oh, Dungeon Crawler got a new upgrade. Hello. Way to go, Saltie. Sing in front of the baby. Best giveaway. Woo, that's very nice. So very nice of you, Saltie. Let's go. What do you think? You like it?
I love it. He was texting me when I was driving home about it. I was like, hold on, I don't want to crash. Let's talk about it when I get home.
Dave said that's how done. That's how I can't. That's how stuff is done. Oh my god. That's how it's done. I can't read. I can't words.
You can't words?
I got out of school like 2 hours ago. Leave me alone.
Now we get to show off how dirty your PC is.
No.
And how badly it needs a clean.
Not even.
Are you comfortable putting a GPU in? Or do you want me to do it for you?
Can you do it?
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Y'all see the chair out there?
Oh, dude.
What?
We have the box, though.
Oh, yeah.
You gotta add the box to the collection.
Are you ready?
Ooh, what a cool vibe.
They said,
For a second, I was like,
they
this is a
said
CD?
Johnny.
What's this?
Oh.
Takin.
What does it even say? To gaming and beyond. Why does it look like a dispensary package?
Bruh.
I mean, I don't know.
That's the beyond part.
Always save the box. Oh my god, y'all see how dirty his PC is?
Yo!
Hey.
I don't know about PCs, but I know that's dirty.
It's a good thing we upgraded your system. Dude, what's this? Trading card?
Ooh. Very nice.
Okay, now you back up because we're filming too.
Oh, yeah, huh? I forgot.
There we
Oh,
go.
it's a stand.
Oh, that's sick, dog.
Put it on the set. Oh, smart.
You want to do that?
Yeah.
They said, I bet the RGB is
All right,
on that.
keep going.
Bubble wrap. Best part right here.
Dang, look at these. Look at these adapters.
Bye, Parsnip.
Later, Parsnip.
What's this? More cables.
They said you gotta clean the
Oh,
PC like
RGB.
a car detail.
RGB.
This is a bracket.
That's just a GPU sag bracket. All right, you got a sag bracket too.
That's what I'm
Sweet.
definitely gonna need.
I'm gonna leave this part completely unedited because of the way he's opened this,
What do you mean?
making everybody wait.
Exactly, that's the point.
All right, we'll get this out the way.
Dude, this thing's heavy.
You gotta
I
save
bet.
the box like Legos. Dave said, I'm shivering with joy outside of negative 30 degrees.
Shivering with joy.
With ice cream, bro.
Maple syrup.
Ooh,
Oh, that's nice.
dude, she thick, bro.
Bro, she's heavy, dude.
Bruh. Yo, she's thick, dog.
She's thickums, dude.
Hey, wait, I have the perfect comparison for everybody.
Dave said, with ice cream.
What, the 3080?
Here's a 1080. Bro. Here, let me help you out with that.
Oh, there you go. Dude.
Look at those things. Here. That's your card, bro.
The peels.
You gonna do the peels?
They said the cooler she tells you not to worry about it.
Oh, bad peel.
I can't believe you.
I want to know how many people are gonna forget to do the peel and then just totally choke off their GPUs.
Dave said it
Even though when it says like, please remove. What do you say?
He said it eats 1080s for breakfast.
Oh, you still got one more over here. A full like peel over there.
No, we are not building a
All right,
PC.
scooch.
That's already his PC.
Get this open real quick.
Bro, Dungeon Clone is gonna go hard in 300 frames.
Didn't you start playing like the Dying Light 2 or something?
I did, yeah.
Hello Kitty Island Adventure.
And you turned on RTX, so...
I still laugh at what the RTX option for that game is. Flashlight RTX.
Well, that's a piece of the RTX option.
That was the only RTX option for that game.
No, I thought it did like... Bro, what the heck?
What?
What's wrong with my light?
He doesn't like you.
There we go, okay.
Bro, the bronze goes hard on this.
Dave said, snap the connector harness in it before you put it in the tower. My tech tip of the day.
Break it. Break it.
Good thing I
Y'all
upgraded.
can't really see the inside of his PC.
Good, it's dirty.
I can angle it, yeah. Oh, there
No,
we go.
it's dirty.
That's better.
Oh my lord.
Hi, Pancakes.
Okay, just grab this real quick.
I was gonna say, good thing I bought that
Oh my
power
god.
supply.
It's like a box. Like a mystery box of just...
I'm like upside down right now.
They said,
There.
so what's in there right now?
What's your specs, bro?
You don't
Bro,
know.
oh my
I
god.
honestly don't. Actually, hold on, I have my phone. I have it on my phone.
Oh my goodness. I have homework.
I know it's good, and then I left it.
Ah.
Pancake said, bro, I just got done with wrestling practice running an 85-degree heat for 45 minutes running.
Where the hell are you at? That is 85 degrees.
Dude, for real.
He said it was longer than my actual practice. I had PE before it. I think they said Arizona, like a while ago.
Oh, that's what it was. So I have an AMD Ryzen 7 5700X 8-core, and then I have a Pro Series board AMD 4 DDR4. I have, I think, just 16 gigs of RAM right now. And I think like 1,000-watt power supply.
Yeah, I'm sorry, thank you. He's struggling.
It barely
Are
fits.
you breathing because it's dusty or?
Both.
Actually, it was just pure panic because I realized the likelihood that it actually doesn't fit is actually up there.
Because it's
okay,
massive.
Dave
Oh, I forgot to
wants
peel.
your attention, Saltie. He wants your attention. Dave, say what you gotta say because he got your attention. Also, my hands are really shaky. Do the hardness first, question mark? I don't know. The PC dust is deadly, watch out.
I'm just seeing if I'm missing another peel. I don't think so.
They said do the power hardness first.
They tripping. Y'all worried? Y'all worried? I've done tons of these. We'll be okay. Now that I've said it, I hope I break it.
I hope you don't. They said I thought you were selling it.
I was. But then I realized something. If I turn around and sell it, that doesn't really go with the point of my channel, which is to...
Oh my
The
god.
size difference. The Pancake sauce, how is y'all thing? Y'all days. I can't words.
Pretty good.
Good?
So, anyways,
My day was good. That's cool.
the whole point was I thought I was going to sell it, and I was like, yeah, you know, like, fuck the scalpers, you know, like, it'll be cool. But then I realized that, like, my boy out here, he's slacking. He's slacking on his GPU.
They
So-
said, yo, Salty, you should give your 4090 to Mrs. Pepper when you get a 5090.
So, what we're going to do, if if I get a 5090, what we're going to do is raffle off my 4090. Because my wife's got a 3080. She's totally fine.
She plays Hello Kitty Island Adventure.
So,
which is like a 2 gig game.
So she'll be totally fine with the setup. She doesn't need...
With Hello Kitty Island Adventure, it probably just uses the was it AMD or Ryzen?
It's an AMD. You think it's integrated graphics?
Yeah, I mean it looks like it just runs off of it.
While he's at it, I had an exhaust fan at the back solve the dust issue.
Facts, dude. He needs a fan.
Do you see the fans right now? They're dirty.
Okay.
It's because it's on the floor. It sucks up a lot of the dirt.
Maybe sweet.
Right there.
Well, also, to be fair,
He said, okay, yeah.
to be fair.
it wouldn't have been as dirty.
Oh, to be fair.
But the baby always turns on the computer.
Yeah.
and it's on for hours. And you know it's true.
They said, okay, yeah, 4090 is too much for Hello Kitty Island Adventure. And needs more negative pressure.
No negativity, only
They
positive.
said, no hate on Hello Kitty Island Adventure. No hate. I
They
love
ain't no hate, it's just a 2 gig game.
It's just good.
Dude, that thing takes...
So what do you think, bro? What do you think?
It's sick as fuck. It's just insane how big it is.
Dave said, I see an opening for a back fan. Do it up.
Exactly.
Oh, yeah.
You need a big fan right there.
That's factual.
Well, now you have a 5080, so you can afford to do some better cooling.
Yes. Is this the RGB one?
They said, what's your...
Oh, do you need an RGB cable for this?
Oh,
Card?
It comes with it.
They
I think I have one in the
what's your
back.
old specs?
Mine?
I'm guessing yes.
3080 Founders?
3080, Ryzen 7, I don't remember if it was 57 or 5800X.
I don't
16 gigs
like
of RAM
that.
right now.
They
I
said
don't like that at
4080
all.
needs a bracket, lol.
I don't like that at all, actually.
They said, why not a 3-fan radiator?
It's your build, dog.
Because I was broke at the time.
They said it's gonna sag to death.
Okay. Okay, do you want...
Yeah.
I'm going to let you decide. Do you want the cable here? Or do you want it up and over?
What would hide it better?
Up and over.
I think
Behind?
up and over will...
Or just like hide it in between the black cables?
I mean,
Because, like,
it's
you
white.
could run it like that, right? Like, this will probably, like, be decent.
Hmm.
Well, let's try, okay?
They said a well-endowed sag.
Well, we've got the bracket on there, so hopefully not.
So there is a bracket.
Yeah.
They said, okay, so the 5080 was definitely an upgrade then. Blows the 3080 out of the water.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was... So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, right? Like, going through the process of, like, trying to pick somebody to sell the 5080 to, I felt dirty. Like, I felt nasty. Because I was just like, oh, who deserves it more? And I'm like, who am I to decide who deserves it? So then I was thinking about it, and I'm like, well, I'm trying to be a giveaway channel, and, like, this was a lot of money, and I don't really want to give it away to a stranger. And I thought about it, and I was like, dude, you've been here for all of this, and you've been behind that camera every single time. And you helped me build this, you helped me build the whole studio. Like, you were the one that was banging hammers with me and putting up drywall. So
That was the best part.
I feel like this is a great way to give back to you.
They said, does it have 4-wheel
Appreciate it,
drive?
dog.
Say again?
Does it have 4-wheel drive?
Who the fuck asked that?
And check the blinker.
I should ask you that.
I know what that is.
Okay.
You know what blinking fluid is?
No.
Where does it go?
I don't know, blinker.
It doesn't.
It doesn't
Ash,
exist.
it doesn't.
It
I
doesn't
was about to
exist.
say, that sounds fake, but I'm just gonna say
It is fake.
so I don't sound stupid. Anyways, I don't care.
Unfortunately for you.
I don't care. Dave said, best channel ever.
I appreciate it, Dave.
They
Is
said, I've been
this-
here since before 700 subs.
Been here since before 700. That's crazy. All right. You want to go fire this bad boy up or what?
Yes, I just want to put this in the studio.
Ice?
Hell yeah.
I'm going to teach you how to clean your PC, dog.
Here,
Let me help you.
I didn't want to put it there. I wanted to put it
Nah, you wanted to put it on top. You
He
did.
doesn't reach. He doesn't reach.
I do reach.
I can't be talking. I don't reach either.
All right. You ready to fire it up? See if I still know how to put graphics cards inside of computers.
Yep, let's fire it up.
I'm
All right.
getting outside.
All right.
All right, Takin. Fire it up.
Damn. It didn't blow up. What does that sound though? Oh no, never mind. That was just a fan.
Your biggest fan of your PC.
Yes.
I'm gonna turn it on and off. Uh-huh.
No. Let it be.
It's okay.
It blue screened.
Not really. That wasn't an actual blue screen.
They said, out of all of y'all, who's the blow someone else's candle out kid? Not me.
No, absolutely not.
Just gotta update everything.
Hi, Daddy.
What?
Oh, I taught you well.
Itachi.
Immediately went to the driver's to update. I'm so proud of you. Alright, what do you think?
6 foot. Now I'm getting 140 frames on. Actually, let's put up the settings. High quality ray tracing.
High quality ray tracing, and you're chilling at like 140. And what were you at before on the 3080?
70.
So literally double the performance.
Literally, yeah.
Literally double the performance.
And then ultimate ray tracing is what I have it on.
And before you had it on not ultimate?
I think I just had it on D3.
Oh, so it was the same.
Is it? Oh no, I think I had it on D311. And then everything's on.
So you have ray tracing on, everything's high, ultra ray tracing,
And everything just on high.
So what you're telling me is literally double the performance real world in a game that you're playing.
Yes.
All right, bet.
Look, it's 145.
I did what you wanted.
I can't read that. I can't. There we go. Bro, look at the. Bro, look at the ray tracing.
Look at the traced rays, bro.
The trace. You can see the little flare.
To find the kid.
The stigmatism right there.
Cool down, Pilgrim. I keep
All right, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video.
I enjoyed it.
I'm sure. Anyways, I guess sorry for changing my mind about selling it to somebody, but I think this is better. It is what it is. So
It is what it is.
it is what it is, boys. Stay salty. Deuces. Okay.